last.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Algorand. It's ranked 42 on CoinMarketCap. Algorand has a market capitalization of over $1 billion. With a fully diluted market cap of $1.5 billion, Algorand is currently going through another crypto bear market. Algorand is down over 15% in the last 1 month. It's down over 60% in the last 1 year. All coins are down bad. How low can Algorand possibly go in this bear market? Is the bear market bottom in for Algorand? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Algorand US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll also be looking at Algorand's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll finally look at Algorand's market cap. Where are we heading to in the coming days and in the coming weeks? Can we start pumping to higher prices? Are we getting to the end of the bear market? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
With altcoins dumping to gobbling town over the last 1 month, we have seen them slowly grinding their way to gobbling town. Bitcoin, the king of the market, has been holding its own, but right now Algorand has lost more than 15% of its value over the last 1 month. We saw Algorand starting the year on a very bright note. We saw Algorand pumping to higher prices, even getting to as high as the $0.26 region. Now, all coins can be very, very volatile when the market is very, very bullish. All coins can easily continue pumping to higher prices. But when they start dumping to gobbling town, that dump can be very, very massive. We saw Algorand rally up by more than 82% in the start of the year. But since February, it has been slowly but surely dumping to gobbling town, even getting to a new low in this bear market, dumping to as low as the $0.144 level. We have seen it lose more than 51% of its value since February of 2023. But if we go on the larger time frame, Algorand has just been in this big downtrend of dumping to gobbling town. Ever since the bull market ended for Algorand, we have seen it go from as high as over $2 where it got to in the previous bull run. We have seen it get to as low as $0.14 level. That's Algorand down 93.5% in its bear market. We saw Algorand drop this low in the previous bear market. After Algorand was launched, we saw it dump even to as low as the $0.11 level. In that bear market, Algorand was down around 96%. But this is why a lot of market participants love altcoins. They can easily recover and pump to higher prices. We saw Algorand rallying up by more than 2,000%, going to as high as the $2.5 region. Right now, we're heading back to those COVID lows. Right now, in this bear market, we have dropped to new lows. Key levels to pay attention to for Algorand in the coming days and in the coming weeks. The all-time low for Algorand sits around the $0.11 level. Right now, we're not far from that region. We can easily see our one final dump to gobbling town that will take us to that $0.11 region. But hopefully, if we get that low, we might see some bounce come out for Algorand. Now, the previous low for Algorand in this bear market was around the $0.16 region. We broke below that level into new lows just some few weeks ago. But that will be another interesting level to pay attention to, because Algorand might easily get rejected at that level if we try to pump to higher prices in the next few weeks. Another key level where I see Algorand having difficulties rallying above in this bear market, and that level that's proving to be pivotal for Algorand in this bear market, is the $0.29 region. Now, Algorand found support around that level in June of 2022. We're having some tiny bounce off the $0.29 level before we finally broke below it in November. And since then, Algorand has not been able to trade above the $0.29 region. Now, we might easily get rejected if we go that high, but if the momentum Algorand is pumping with is very, very high, we can easily see us rallying above that level, maybe, just maybe, even getting to as high as the $0.5 region before we see the end of any bear market rally. Now, let's use the Fibonacci retracement tool to tell us how high Algorand can go. Where are the levels where we might see huge resistance along the way in this bear market, assuming the bottom is around the $0.14 level for Algorand. Now, if we see Algorand continue pumping above that $0.29 region, continue pumping to the moon, Another important level where we might see us get rejected might be that $0.7 region. But from where we're currently trading right now, for Algorand to go that high, Algorand would have been up by more than 374%. So crazy things can happen in the bear market. Just the fact that we're in the bear market doesn't mean we're not going to see rallies to the upside. It doesn't mean we're not still going to see dumps to the downside. It just means the general trend in the market is bearish. Now let's take a look at some key details about Algorand deep in this crypto bear market. Right now, Algorand has a market cap of over $1 billion with a fully diluted market cap of around $1.5 billion. It's ranked 42 on CoinMarketCap. Over 639,000 people have Algorand on their watch list. With a maximum supply of 10 billion coins, Algorand has over 7.2 billion of those coins in circulation, representing 72% of the maximum supply. Where can you get some Algorand if you want to get some for yourself deep in the bear market, getting ready for the next crypto bull run? You can do that on Binance, Coinbase Exchange, on KuCoin, on Kraken, on Bitstamp, on Bitfinex, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Algorand right there. Guys, we're deep in the crypto bear market. Just know that Algorand is down. A lot of altcoins are down bad. Even though we're seeing some signs of life on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame, you don't want to get carried away. These bear market rallies can last very short period of time. Bear market rallies are designed to get you buying on the top and selling at the bottom. Your number one job in the bear market is to survive till the end of the bear market. At the end of the bear market, we start another bull run, and that bull run we see all coins pumping to higher prices, maybe giving you your first 10x, 20x, maybe giving you that elusive 100x you have been looking for in the cryptocurrency market. If you take a look at Algorand's performance against Bitcoin, it has been nothing to write home about. We have been dumping aggressively to Goblin Town since the end of the previous bull market. But before we started that dump to Goblin Town, we saw Algorand outperforming Bitcoin by more than 392%. Right now, as we're dumping to Goblin Town, Algorand is down around 90% from where it was trading in September of 2021. That's what happens in the bear market. You see people running away from all coins into Bitcoin, into Ethereum. In bear markets, people are scared, and when people are scared, you see them running towards safety. And safety for us in the cryptocurrency market is Bitcoin and is Ethereum. Algorand has lost more than 85% of its value against Ethereum since September of 2021. Guys, are you still accumulating some Algorand right now deep in the bear market? Do you think the bear market bottom is in for these altcoins? Remember, the market goes in different phases. We have seen Algorand go through accumulation. We have seen it go through markup. We have seen it go through distribution. We have actually seen it go through markdown. And right now, we're back at accumulation yet again. So how long will this accumulation last? Algorand's market cap is still above $1 billion. Maybe, just maybe, we can see it finding support before we go below $1 billion. But I'll not be shocked to see Algorand even dump to Goblin Town and finally finding support around the $555 million region. But hopefully, we're not going to drop that low. Hopefully, right now, we're closer to the bottom, down to that $500 million region. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see Algorand heading to in the coming days and in the coming weeks? Do you see us pumping to higher prices? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.